Hello everyone, I'm Subhojit Panda from OdissaTV.in presenting you today's news from Odisha. First headlines. Heavy rain triggers flash floods in Kalyan Singhpur. Neither am I on social media nor have clue about funds collection, said actor Babushan. Flash flood in Kalyan Singhpur. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik reviews situation, asks Centre for 4 helicopters. Pradhan Mantri Kushal Kendra in Kendrapada, an initiative towards skill development of students. And heavy rainfall forecast for Odisha. Collectors asked to remain alert by SRC. Now the details. Incessant rains and an unprecedented rise in the water level of the Nagawali and Kalyani River have triggered flash floods in Kalyan Singhpur block in Raigada district. As per reports, nearly 5,000 to 7,000 people have been affected by the flash floods as several parts are now submerged. As many houses have been inundated, people have taken shelter on roof of their houses and Tehsil office. Road communication between Raigada and Bhawanipatna has been disrupted. Teams of CRPF Jawans have reached Kalyan Singhpur and are carrying out relief and rescue operations. A fake social media account that has allegedly been opened in the name of actor Babushan is alleged that his followers are being asked to deposit money in a particular account. According to reports, funds are being collected in the name of the Odia actor on the pretext of various problems and schemes. However, Babushan rubbished the allegations and claimed it to be a fake account. Even as the flash flood situation in Kalyan Singhpur block in Raigada district, Odisha government on Sunday urged Centre to provide 4 helicopters to intensify relief and rescue operations. Patnaik, after reviewing the situation at an emergency meeting held at Special Relief Commissioner's office, said that the heavy rains that lashed several parts of Odisha in the past 24 hours triggered flash floods in Nagawali and Kalyani rivers. A skill development and training centre, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra, was inaugurated by MP Baijant Panda in Ramnagar Patna of Kendrapada district on Saturday. The centre is aimed at providing skills and employment opportunities to students to make their services relevant to industries in the district. Initially, 1,000 students have been selected for training into different courses which will be free of cost. At the end of the training, the students will get a certificate and the firm will help them in getting jobs.
हजारे छात्र छात्री को मागणार ट्रेनिंग दिया जीवो किए ताधरू फिटर हेबे वेल्डर हेबे ड्राइविंग शिखिबे होटल इंडस्ट्री रे जाई परिबे नुआ नुआ जो सब खोलुची रिटेल सेंटर गुडी को सेठी भी नियुक्ति मिली परिबो बहुत बहुत हमरो केंद्रापड़ा जिल्ला रो प्रगति पई.
The Special Relief Commissioner on Sunday asked collectors in several parts of Odisha to remain alert in view of the heavy rain forecast issued by the Indian Meteorological Department for the next 3 days. The Indian Meteorological Department in Bhubaneswar had forecast heavy rain in north, interior and coastal parts of the state till 20th July. The proportion of rain will come down after Thursday. In 2 separate road mishaps in the wee hours today, 2 people were killed near Pipili in Puri district, while at least 35 passengers had a narrow escape when the bus they were travelling in rammed into the parapet of a bridge near Soro in Balesur district. In another incident, a bolero which was on the way to Puri from Rajkanika in Kendrapada district collided with the road divider at Dohisi Patna near Pipili, killing 2 and critically injuring 7. The injured have been shifted to Bhubaneswar.
शोई पड़िथिलो हम केमे देखिबो तापरे जेतो आखि दिला आश्चर्य हला समस्त उठी देखला गोड़ा हाथ सब पसी आइ जा भारी पन 2 जण लोक तळकु गळी पेला आमे समस्त गोड़ा हाथ पसी गाडी रा भारी पन तापरे तापरे कोन एगो ड्राइवर कोजु काढा टिके सीता नुची पळाई गला.
The police officer who attempted to touch the idol of goddess Subhadra during the Niladri Vijay ritual in Puri on 6 July was suspended, informed by DGP KB Singh yesterday. The suspended officer, identified as Amulya Dhar, the inspector in charge of Bodh police station, was accused of attempting to touch the deity during the Pohandi ceremony in the evening. It may be mentioned that IG of Central Range was entrusted to conduct a detailed investigation into the allegations. Tension sparked off at a petrol pump near Secretariat in Bhubaneswar on Saturday after some customers alleged that the pump dispensed water instead of petrol. Some customers said after filling up at the pump, their vehicles developed technical snag when they showed it at nearby garages. It was water they found oozing from inside the fuel tank and not petrol. Some aggrieved customers returned to the fuel station and staged a protest, and with several other people also joining in, a large demonstration started to develop outside the petrol pump. Apprehending any untoward circumstances, police reached the spot and pacified the irate public. The fuel station has been closed, while the pump manager said the incident had occurred since rainwater had seeped into the depository tank, whose lid was accidentally loose.
वर्षा हबारु 11 पर उठू पानी मिसिकी भितर पसी जाई टांकी भितर एटा नट ढिला रही कि से पसी जाई कि भितर कवर दे दे कि साइलोन से भी पठौसन मिस्त्री आसी पहुंच तेल दवा बंद अछि.
The leopard, which spread panic by killing a 4-year-old and injuring 2 others in Haladi village under Khariar range of Nuapada district, was caught in a trap in a nearby forest yesterday late night. A trap was laid inside a forest near Haladi village in which the leopard was caught. Earlier on 26th May, the leopard had dragged a 4-year-old into the nearest forest while he was asleep with his parents on the veranda of the house. Later on 9th July, the animal had attacked 55-year-old Dhanabai Pandey and a granddaughter Chandini while they were asleep in the house. Odisha government on Saturday ordered vigilance probe into the ₹4 crore large area multi-purpose cooperative society scam in Koraput district. For the procurement of paddy, there are 48 large area multi-purpose cooperative societies in Koraput. In a recent audit report, irregularities of ₹4 crore between 2012 and 2015 came to fore. Earlier, OTV had unearthed a scam in which officials of cooperative banks in 4 districts of the state under Koraput Central Cooperative Bank in collusion with middlemen were found to have amassed lakhs by carrying out fake transactions.
Special audit report जनागला कोरापुट जिले में प्राय 38 लैंप पेडी प्रोक्योरमेंट और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन केतोड़े बोगस बिल होकर प्राय 4 कोटी ऊर्ध्व टंका तोषपात होता कथा मो दृष्टि के आसी निर्देश दि जाता स्पेशल ऑडिट करने ऑडिट्रे से निर्देशन आसला. ऑलरेडी विजिलेंस डिपार्टमेंट को संपृक्त अफसर माने जो माने फॉल्स भाउचर करके अधिक पैसा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन देखते साथ फॉल्स भाउचर एंड प्रोक्योरमेंट करते निर्दिष्ट कार्य नापी विजिलेंस डिपार्टमेंट को कही.
The Kandhamal conjoined twins will be operated at the AIIMS New Delhi only if a team of doctors formed for the treatment feels condition of the babies is suitable, said AIIMS Neurosurgery Department Head Professor Ashok Mahapatra yesterday. Mahapatra also said names of the conjoined twins have been changed from Honey and Singh to Jagga and Badiya so that people from Odisha are emotionally connected and have a positive feeling about the operation. On Friday, the conjoined twins and parents reached the Odisha Bhavan after arriving in New Delhi by the Rajdhani Express and later went to AIIMS. Odisha's latest singing sensation Satyajit Jaina is now having a dream run. After winning accolades in Zee TV's Saregama Lil Champs, the Wonder Kid made his debut in Bollywood by recording a song with pop queen Sunidhi Chauhan. Satyajit rendered his voice and recorded the song, a composition of eminent singer and music director Shankar Mahadevan, and sang with Sunidhi in presence of the legendary lyricist Gulzar. Eminent singer cum composer A.R. Rahman had also become fan of Satyajit and had also offered him internship for a week at a studio. Before wrapping up the news headlines once again, heavy rain triggers flash floods in Kalyan Singhpur. Neither am I on social media nor have clue about funds collection, said actor Babushan. Flash flood in Kalyan Singhpur. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik reviews situation, asked Centre for 4 helicopters. Pradhan Mantri Kushal Kendra in Kendrapada, an initiative towards skill development of students. And heavy rainfall forecast for Odisha. Collectors asked to remain alert by SRC. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.